Hello, welcome to SuccessTrack TV. I'm TJ, and thank you for visiting my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you the 7 things money can't buy. Before we begin to getting in this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our up new videos. Then leave a comment below this video saying, I subscribed. Love it when that happens. I'm trying my best to reply to as many comments as I possibly can. So share a little bit after this video. There are things money can't buy. While money can make our lives more comfortable, it cannot buy everything. There are 7 things money can't buy, and if you want to find out more, watch this video and make sure you watch till the end to fully benefit from it. I want to start off by asking you a question. How much money do you think you have in your bank account? How much do you think you are worth? More often than not, people worry about how much they're making and how much money they have at hand. Are you one of these people? If you are, you're definitely not the only one. We all worry about money and how much or maybe how little we have. While much value is given to money when it comes to stories of success in business, there's also so much more that's needed to make it out there. That's what this video is all about. Some of the most successful people in business started out without any money at all. They went on to make fortunes. They built their business enterprise from scratch. You're probably wondering how they did it, right? How did they make it happen? Successful people know that there is so much more in business than capital. The fact is, there are things that money can't buy. Let's start with the first thing money can't buy. Money can't buy courage. Courage is what you need to start your own business. But the thing is, courage is not something you can buy over the counter. If it were, people would be lining up for it. Kidding aside, we need a whole lot of courage to help you get on the path of success. Courage, not money, can make you do the most amazing things in life. Here's the second thing money can't buy. Time. You can never bring back time, so you better make sure that you use it wisely. Time is a form of capital investment as well. Unlike money, you can't get it back when you lose it. When you manage your time to get things done, you will eventually prosper. You may not have as much money, right? But if you have time in your hands, you can use it wisely to achieve success. So make sure to invest your time wisely. The third thing money can't buy is determination. Got some of that lying around? Now, let me ask you something. What does it mean to be determined? Determination defines the need to do something no matter what. It's fueled by great emotions and sheer belief that you can achieve something big. Always remember that success in business is not defined by money, but by sheer determination to make it. Are you ready for the fourth thing money can't buy? Well, money can't buy ambition. Apart from courage and determination, fierce ambition can also bring you closer to success. Ambition is an intense desire to achieve something. While there are some people who are naturally ambitious, most folks have to work on being more ambitious. They need to define their goals, which will enable them to plan better and make better decisions. Identifying their goals and you identifying your goals will also motivate you to succeed. Now, the next best thing about ambition is that it's free. The next thing money can't buy is personality. So what does it mean to have the right personality for business? Your personality defines who you are. Be the kind of person who can move with utmost ease and confidence. Be someone who's sophisticated but humble. Always strive to be the person that you want others to look up to. Set a good example, not for others to follow, but for others to take inspiration from. What I'm saying is that you do your best to develop your personality every day. I guarantee that you'll be a better person. We're getting closer to the end of this point. I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel for more inspiring video. So what's the next thing money can't buy? Well, money can't buy a pure heart. A pure heart is a combination of a genuine interest in other people and the ability to compromise to get what you want. So if you want to be successful in business, you need to lead with a pure heart. This means you're genuinely interested in people and not just in profits. Last but not least, money can't buy faith. If you have a pure heart, you'll have the ability to cope with anything that comes your way. Learning to be grateful is also a great way to fill your heart with positivity when challenges arrive. Simply, it's a great way to show that you care. Having a pure heart is the best thing that you can do for your soul. A pure heart is a true reflection of who you are. With a true heart, you'll be able to see God in all things. So, what's your takeaway on things money can't buy? Even if you just have $1 in your pocket, the world is still yours to conquer. So while it's true that money can buy many things, there are some things that money cannot buy. and the things that money cannot buy are the ones that can help you succeed in life. One last thing before you leave. If you like this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below to share your thoughts. I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Also, make sure to watch the next video that's coming up. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV.